Now one thing I'm going to show you real quick is while we are actually in movement, we can click this button here and we can see our camera views. As you can see right there, there's those cameras. Basically those cameras will stay on until you get to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. And you can switch the views around. Auxiliary there and all that good stuff. Alright, so it's feeling good. You know, it's just a nice big truck. It's not the easiest to maneuver around in tight parking spots though, I'll tell you that much. We got a tight one that we're doing right now. Let's show y'all with the camera view here. See, as you can see, we're going to have to maneuver ourselves right on through here. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, you want to look in your mirrors. And get right on through here, okay? Without bumping into anything. And this, see, in this position here, when we're so tight with other vehicles, we're going to go ahead and give ourselves this camera view here so we can see exactly what's going on while trying to get through here without hitting something, okay? As you're noticing, we're doing good. I think we got it. We definitely do. Good to go on maneuvering right through that tight spot.